What up, what up, what up? This ain't even for my YouTube. Let's keep going. I am here to do a review on the Pop Daddy snacks. I didn't find out about the popcorn till after. I probably would have went for that. But I think this pretzel sampler pack is going to be a good treat. So let's get right into it. There are 9 bags total. I'm not going to go in any order. I'm just going to pull them out. First bag, hot sauce. I wanted to do this video with someone else. My grandbaby's brother was going to do it with me, but I just hadn't been ready. I don't really taste a slight taste of hot sauce, but this ain't like no Tabasco hot. I'm gonna definitely have to share these some full bag. Hot sauce, 6 out of 10. Next, dill pickle. Dill pickle. I watched someone say, if you like pickle flavor stuff, you would like this, but it's definitely not like you eating a pickle. There's a slight hint of a pickle flavor. Four out of 10. Peppercorn ranch. Somebody said mix this with the hot sauce. Now that's something I may do. Get my bag, my Ziploc bags, and mix a few of them up. And then I'm going to have to share with my family here. Best one so far, peppercorn ranch. I'm gonna say 7.5. Yellow mustard. Now I love mustard. I put it on everything. So let's see. Don't smell like mustard. Got the little yellow tint. It tastes like mustard. It do. But it's not something I would want my pretzels. 3 out of 10. Cinnamon sugar. I want to wait and do the cinnamon sugar. And everybody gets a full size of the birthday cake ones. So I want to do those last because they're sweet. To kind of counteract all the other tastes. So now we're going to the smoked Gouda. This is the one that I heard so much good stuff about, smoked Gouda. So let's see if they live up to the hype. Because I'm a true foodie. Now I would put this smoked Gouda. I would put this with the peppercorn ranch. They weren't lying. They was not lying. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend smoked Gouda. Welcome. course, they put a little advertisement, 20% off from carrying on. Little sticker. Next we have garlic parmesan. Now, I don't do the garlic parmesan wings or anything like that, so I guess I'm not a big garlic parmesan person. Four out of 10. Mexican street corn, elotes. Elotes. Don't play with him. Maybe a hint of corn. Maybe a hit of tahini. I wanted to be way more excited about these. Three out of 10. Last one, before we get to the sweet ones, beer cheese. But shout out, I want to give them right now because this beer cheese is a 1. What is here? It says 3 ounces. These sampler bags are pretty big. I never expected to get this much of each box, each bag, or I would have definitely left them over my grandbaby's house. So before I go to the sweet ones, my favorite was the smoked Gouda and the peppercorn ranch. Peppercorn ranch, smoked Gouda, my top bits. Let's go to this cinnamon sugar. Uh-oh. I have to get a Ziploc for this one right away. Ten out of 10. But everybody know my diabetic ass loves sweets. I have to put them into another bag. 10 out of 10 for the cinnamon sugar. Last but not least, let me put this in. Got that TikTok light doing what it do for me because of course I didn't bring my ring light. Fine. I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna share all of them, even the real little ones, with my family. 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Peace. Namaste. Pop Daddy Snacks.